Hey everyone! Here's the fully working OneUI 7 calculator app that works in all Android devices. Starting with the app itself, it now features a OneUI 7 inspired design with dynamic elements that adapt to the wallpaper color. The calculator UI changes accordingly and includes historical details. When you see a clock-like icon, it represents historic data. Tapping the scale-like icon reveals additional calculation options, including area, length, temperature, volume, mass, data, speed, time, and tips. Clicking the third icon rotates the calculator into a horizontal layout, unlocking more scientific functions. That's all I wanted to share about the app. Now, let's jump on to how to install. Just download the app from the link in the description, install it like any other app, and you're good to go. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Stay tuned for more port videos. If you find this video helpful, then hit a like and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.